Yo, what is up guys? Today I'm going to show you a tutorial how you can get unlimited Sims cash and unlimited coins for the game Sims FreePlay. Now this is working for both iOS and Android devices. Super easy to do, so let's go ahead and get right into the tutorial. Now the first step you want to do is make sure your Sims FreePlay is completely updated. You can do that by going to the App Store or the Google Play Store if you're on Android. Once you have that complete, go ahead and open up settings. We're going to click on battery and make sure your low power mode is set to disabled for the installation. Once you have that complete, click on general, click on background app refresh, and make sure it's set to either Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and cellular data. Once you have that complete, we are actually ready for the download. So we're going to be installing a modified version of the game, but don't worry, it is completely safe and also completely free. So what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and go to our web browser. And you guys will notice I am on Google right now. So once you guys get on Google or whatever search browser that you use, we're going to search for this site right here. It's going to be called Inject APP, so just go ahead and type that in. And once you go ahead and search it, it should be right here at the top of your search results. Just go ahead and click on it, and it's going to take you to the official website. Now once you're on the site, make sure you typed it in correctly. Click the search bar, and we're going to go ahead and just type in Sims FreePlay. And there it is right there, Sims FreePlay. Just go ahead and click on it. And there we are right there. So it's going to say what device you're on, what version you're on. Just go ahead and click Start Injection. And it's going to start downloading the new modified version of the game. And this is what's going to give you the unlimited Sims cash and unlimited coins. This should only take about 30 seconds to install. Make sure you follow all of the instructions, super easy. Once you're done with the download, you will see the new modded version on your home screen. And yep, you're pretty much good to go after that. I'm not going to show any gameplay. I don't want my account to get banned or get in trouble or anything, because I'm showing you how to do this on YouTube. But yep, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Be sure to subscribe, and until next time, see ya.